Hi, my name is Dr. Brett, and I'm an athletic trainer at Cornerstone Health. Today we're going to be going through an exercise for the hip. We call it hip groiner. A lot of patients that we work with experience hip pain and are very active in their lifestyle, whether that be playing with their kids, walking their dogs, running, biking, or finding any way to stay active. With that in mind, together we're going to go through the hip groiner exercise, which is going to target the inside of your thigh and start to improve your ability and your level of flexibility with exercise. All right, so now we're going to get started with our hip groiner exercise demonstration. So to begin, we're going to move into a kneeling position. From this position, we're going to extend out our right leg, as our right leg will be what we use as our example for this exercise. So you extend the right leg out, try to have the instep of your foot down towards the floor. Next, we're going to place our hands out in front of us. Keep your neck nice and long, back nice and flat. From this position, you're going to push the bottom of your foot away from your body as you push your buttocks towards the heel of your bent knee. Just like this. You can challenge yourself by further extending out your leg and drawing your hip back towards your heel. Hold this position for a couple breaths and come back up. Start from here and move back towards your heel. Breathe in and breathe out. Perform this exercise 5 to 6 times on each leg.